I've used a row of tan wood panels as a lamp like this. The reason is the lack of a light, and as a result I saw this like it's practical. It's a saver I decided to make my own drive. After receiving the finish, next paint each piece of wood with wood wax. Afternoon after combing for the first. In the evening I painted again. Then mark the positions, apply woodworking glue to fit. Definitely with a knife. Split because the panel is relatively heavy. Then apply the wood glue. Assembly of lamps as a large building blocks. And then fixed last night's wooden nails on board. This technical work must work when I think everything is fine. It's not okay, it's too narrow. I finally thought I could use a sharpening knife. I can't believe, fortunately, it came to the last stage is not okay. Because the opening can always remove the wire. Then connect the wire available. Then fixed on the wooden bar. And finally, my favorite part together to help heal everyone. See the end. I only spent $10 on the library. Puppy shape can be changed at will. Let's start with me now. And then use a tabletop to draw a pattern. Next, I used the old piece of wood as a spare cabinet. Cut according to the drawing pattern. Here is the amount needed. The back leg is longer than the front leg. The neck angle is a little rough and needs to be polished. She has been smooth polished. I spread a layer of chestnut wood oil in turn chisels. When it's finished, I use a needle pull so the puppy's body is finished. Then use wood processing glue to assemble the head. Put an lid on the head. Then install a light softening pad in the front. Let's take a look at the finished product. It only cost me 10 yuan to build a wood. I used to make a few wooden sticks left over from the. Let's make this land that will be beaut, along with strips cut according to difference. Use your shoes to polish. Arrange paste from right to left. There's a sense of hierarchy. There's a pitiful side to the back. Calculate carefully. Cut back the mirror by the way. Cut the lamp polished a little will be flat. Then apply all the lamp holders with wood wax. Feeling of hierarchy. Finally apply woodworking glue to the. Then install the rotating bit. Write some calligraphy, the lights turn on and run. This looks great. My friends at my house couldn't believe it. This lamp is made of a drain. Let's see if I can finish it in a minute. Do you have a water pipe in your house? Washed and cut to a suitable length. Smooth writing machine cut with file or sandpaper. Choose a color, give him clothes. In this hot summer I choose. Give it cool silver, ha-ha. And from there it's no longer an abandoned water pipe. This iron bar was missing when I made the tea table. I'm going to use it as a lamp body. Of course I painted it cool silver. Don't think this is trash. It's all my stuff now. I'm going to pick up a piece of wood as a lamp stand. Cut it into a circle like this is the checkbook. Look at the drainage pipe. After painting the color, I have a feeling it's more expensive. It can be assembled when it dries. I spent $5 to buy this. Just need to align the screw hole. Just slowly tighten the screws. With this accessory, it will be much faster. This is the light I prepared. Tear back glue. Raw paste along the square tube is possible. It's installed because you have to punch holes in square tubes. You have to use all your power to pierce through the hard iron pipe. This step seems simple. It's actually not that difficult. Finally, this base. It's not a big deal. I'll spray paint it in a minute. After 2 days, finally finished. I can't wait to see Ra say, "Oh City."